Hi, my name is Sui, and today is February 1. I decided that for the whole month of February, I'll try to vlog my days, and if it's a successful vlogging, I'll try to do it every other month. I hope you enjoy. I have to start today by cutting my hair. My hair is really just one whole layer, and I really want like different layers, but because of inflation and stuff, the prices have gone very high, so I decided I'll just watch a video and try to cut my own hair. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. You're such an attention seeker, Grapple. The moment I pointed the camera here, you flew here, didn't you? I got a new hobby, which is sewing, and this was a part of a one-piece dress, but it looked really awkward, so I cut it in half, and now I wanna feed some elastic through it, so I have to sew this. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I don't know how, but I did it. It was a bit hard to work with, to be honest, because the dress is going outside. I don't know how to explain it. So there was extra fabric. So I have some of these, but it's okay. I'm just gonna have a quick breakfast with some green tea and some berries covered in Nutella. And then I have to quickly get ready to go to school. Lately, I've been having super cravings for the past 2 weeks, especially. I've been eating junk food and fast food for almost every meal, and that's not normally me. So I'm trying to cut back on all junk food and most fats and sugars. I know this has some Nutella, but it's less than a tablespoon. So as a beginning, I think that's okay. But at least I'm trying. I came to my university just now to pick up a certificate, and I realized I don't actually miss going to school. I thought that I really missed it. It's been 2 months since I've graduated, and the thing is, since all my life I've been going to school, and now I'm not, life seems a bit pointless. I just don't have a goal to work towards to. So it just feels weird. I think everyone who's recently been graduated feels like that. I think it's still too early, but I'll just go anyways. Hello, I'm gonna show you why I want to visit my professor today. But firstly, I forgot to show my hair. Here it is. It did take an hour to cut, but I think it was worth it. It's not too bad. In one of my classes, me and my teammates submitted one of our projects to GD USA, and we got accepted and we got awards for it, so I had to go to school to get the magazine and look at it. I can't find it now, but I saw it, it's there, which is very cool. It's a good thing for my resume. Now I'll read a book. It's called The ABC Killer by Agatha Christie? Yeah, Agatha Christie. And it's a criminal kind of book, and I love that kind of genre. Someone recommended it to me, and so far it's going really well. I'm on page 39. Not much has happened, but it's interesting. I definitely want to finish it. So yeah. You know those days where you're extra lazy and sleepy? Those happen sometimes, and I know I have to do something that day or else I'll feel guilty about it. To be productive on those days, I like to write on my planner, and it usually works. It is important to give time to yourself to rest, but all I have been really doing is resting since graduating. So I wanted to be productive. It is also okay if your day didn't go the way you planned it or didn't do everything on your list. February 10 was such a day for me. Never would I have imagined I would get rear-ended by a big truck in the highway. But stuff happened. I think not having money is one of the worst things in the world. I've been rooming with the same people for 4.5 years, and I'm tired almost every night. They bring people over, they talk and they laugh and they party until 1 a.m., sometimes 2 a.m. in the morning. And when I ask for respect, I'm always the one to blame. But this is all I can afford in America. So I decided I'm gonna go back to my home country by the end of February if I cannot find a full-time job here, because I cannot live in this condition anymore. I got into a car accident yesterday and my body hurts and I just want to rest. But I cannot do that when there are screamings. I just want to rest. Yesterday I was a mess, but I wanted to talk about what happened. I got into a car accident 2 days ago and it was really, really bad. My car it had to be towed, but I didn't have to go to the hospital, thankfully. I just have some bruises and my whole body hurts, but no serious injuries, so that's good, right? But my house is loud as ever, so me and my sister are gonna go to a park and relax there for a bit. I wish I could take Grapple, but it's too cold outside. It's too cold outside for you. So yeah, let's go. are so swollen. As you can see, my room is always a mess, and I feel much better ever since the accident, so I really wanted to fix up my room a bit so that I can feel better. Let's start! This is as clean as it's gonna get for today. When I move out, I will have to really deep clean. Wait, since it focus, okay. I will also have to wood fill all of these. Maybe even change these. And probably the blinds themselves. All because of you. All because of you, Tiny. I'm really craving some ice cream, but we only have vanilla ice cream, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna make some almond mocha swirl ice cream. Let's go. Ice cream is done. Now, while I wait, I'm gonna watch some Euphoria because it just came out yesterday and I'm excited. I love it. Nice start. Say hi. Say hi. Why are you not in your cage? Shouldn't you be in your cage sleeping, Grandpa? Why didn't you get out of your cage? Start filming?
Yes. Oh, it looks like such a old kind of vibe, you know? Looks very vibey. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
So
Okay, give me my present.
there you
I
go.
already know what my present
Gold
is,
bag.
but you know.
Obviously card. It says sister on it.
Oh,
It's
for my
personalized.
sister. There's so much. That's beautiful. So much to look forward to.
Okay.
Oh, there's another card. Happy birthday. Why?
Because I thought it was very little. I wanted to surprise you with something. Don't leave, please.
The palette that I actually wanted.
Yeah, I got
I
it
cannot
for
see the
you.
colors right now, but I
You've
hope
seen
you
the
got
colors
same
before. It's the
ones.
same one.
Man, my favorite mascara.
Yes, it's your favorite mascara.
And a tiny brush.
You didn't actually tell me to get that. You did, but as a joke. I actually
Yeah.
did.
Thank you so much.
Of course, that's like the
girl.
best brush.
Thank you.
And the $10 gift card.
Oh yeah, she also got me a.
Can you open it? Looks very.
Oh,
Never
it
opened
does?
it. Yeah.
What is here? Happy birthday, Cindy. Here is a 10 gift card. Love. Sister.
That's perfect. Of course. Okay.
The ice cream turned out really good, but I put a bit too much coffee, so if I do it again, I will have to put less. For my birthday, I decided to go to the Georgia Aquarium since it's free admission on birthdays to Georgia residents. I had never been there before for my 5 years of living here, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity since I'm also leaving Georgia very soon. Going there was a bit stressful because I have only been on the metro trains 4 times before, and all of those were with other people. But when I entered the aquarium, all my worries went away. The aquarium didn't have a specific route you had to follow, so I just started entering random spaces. All the species were so pretty and beautiful, but for some reason, a big sadness covered me. I was trying to keep my tears away while watching these beautiful animals spend their entire lives in small enclosements to never see what their real habitat is really like. Last time I was in a zoo or aquarium was over 9 years ago, so I never thought anything of it. But going there today made my heart hurt very much. I don't think I should go to those places again. I mean, I even cry when I go to the pet shop to buy bird food and see all those birds or other reptiles locked up in a small cage. Nonetheless, I felt very thankful to see all the fish swimming. When watching them, it felt like the whole world had stopped and nothing mattered. It felt like I was also swimming with them, almost like flying with them in the sea, or in the pool to be exact. But it was just a very nice experience. This birthday was my first birthday that I didn't cry. I was so close, but I didn't. I always used to get disappointed with people not caring for my birthday or not even remembering it. I'm the kind of person that tries to make people feel special on their birthday, but I never received the same affection. Planning an event early in the day made me forget and distracted about all the other people. It wasn't until the afternoon that the same birthday sadness started to seep in. For this year, I decided to remove my birthday from social platforms to see who would actually remember. I made a list in my head of people who were surely going to remember. But to my disappointment, every one of those people didn't remember. Even the people I've lived with for years didn't remember until they saw my cake in the fridge. I thought to myself, am I not special? Am I not important? But I was wrong. I just wasn't a priority to those people, but still had a bunch of other people who celebrated my birthday and made me feel loved. One of those people being my sister, who I am very lucky to live with. I also talked with my family abroad for almost 3 hours, and they made me laugh so much. As a person, I tend to be very negative, but I'm really trying to change. I'm so grateful to all those who care for me and make me feel loved. I hope everyone finds people like that in their lives. I really liked this poem, so I wanted to read it to you. Time can't heal pain that won't mend. The suffering, the heartache, it feels like the end. Grasping a hold of a moving change, trying to pick up pieces to put the puzzle back together, for nothing can last forever. Grudges are held, never letting go. Feelings are hurt, but they wouldn't listen. But behind every fight, there is a reason why. The one you love didn't make it to your future, and why they didn't try. By Vanessa. I ran so much and I still missed the train. Finally home.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sweta. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Thank you so much for watching my vlog for this month. I hope you enjoyed it. It was definitely a very eventful month, and I had to make lots of decisions on employment, on where I'm gonna live, in which country I'm gonna live, and I still haven't decided. It's very stressful, but it's a part of life, and I hope in a month it all settles down and I become my energetic. Okay, I'm not usually energetic, but I hope I become more energetic and can pursue my hobbies more. But thank you a lot for watching again. If you want to ask anything or say anything, please leave it down below in the comments and I'll try to reply. Thank you very much. Bye!